We've all seen the headlines, the broken promises, the falling sales, and the growing skepticism that Tesla has lost its way. But while the world was busy watching the stock chart dip, Tesla was quietly preparing for the most dangerous vertical climb in corporate history. In 2026, the car in your driveway won't just be old, it will be obsolete. Because for Elon Musk, 2026 isn't about another EV launch. It's about a $10 trillion gamble to replace the human driver entirely. With the Cybercab entering production and Optimus robots moving into factories, the line between hardware and physical AI is about to vanish. Is this the moment Tesla finally solves autonomy, or is it the beginning of the end for the Tesla era as we know it? For over a century, the automotive industry has followed a single rigid formula: build a car, sell it to a person, and hope they buy another one in 5 years. But in April 2026, Tesla plans to break that cycle forever. This is the month the first production-ready Cybercabs are scheduled to roll off the line in Texas. But don't call it a car. Elon Musk has described the Cybercab as a high-volume consumer electronics device. It has no steering wheel, no pedals, and no side mirrors. It is a purpose-built two-seater designed for one thing: to eliminate the cost of the human driver. The secret to this transition isn't just the AI, it's how the vehicle is built. Tesla is moving to a revolutionary unboxed manufacturing process. Instead of a long assembly line where the car is built step by step, different sections of the Cybercab are completed simultaneously in dedicated areas and then snapped together at the very end. The goal? To produce a vehicle every 10 seconds. Compare that to the 34 seconds it takes for a Model Y, and you begin to see the scale. Musk isn't just trying to build a better car. He's trying to build 3 million autonomous units within 24 months. By 2026, the strategy is clear. They are betting that once you can call a ride for 40 cents a mile, the very idea of owning a car will start to feel like owning a horse. A hobby for the wealthy, but a practical burden for everyone else. While the world is distracted by the Cybercab, Tesla's most radical transformation isn't happening on the road. It's happening on the factory floor. In mid-2026, Tesla is set to move its humanoid robot, Optimus, from experimental pilot programs into industrial mass production. Elon Musk has repeatedly claimed that Optimus could eventually be more significant than Tesla's entire vehicle business. By late 2026, the goal is a production line capable of churning out 1 million units annually. This isn't just about making a machine that can walk, it's about embodied AI, giving a digital brain a physical body that can navigate the messy, unpredictable human world. The Gen 3 version, finalized in late 2025, features massive technical leaps, hands with 22 degrees of freedom that can handle delicate objects, and a walking speed that has already surpassed 5 miles per hour in recent stress tests. But here is the investigative truth. 2026 is the year Optimus stops being a Tesla project and starts being a global workforce competitor. In the second half of 2026, Tesla plans to begin the first deliveries of Optimus to external companies. The implications are staggering. Tesla isn't just building a robot, they are building a way to decouple economic growth from human labor. If Musk can scale this production to 1,000 units a month by the middle of the year, he isn't just automating his own factories, he's selling the future of work itself to the highest bidder. However, as we enter 2026, the question remains, will these machines solve the global labor shortage, or will they trigger a social displacement that we are nowhere near prepared to handle? While robots and robo-taxis represent Tesla's future, the company still has a multi-billion-dollar hardware puzzle to finish. In 2026, Tesla plans to finally bridge the gap between niche production and global scale for its most ambitious vehicles. It starts with the long-awaited volume production of the Tesla Semi. After years of delays and low-volume pilot programs with partners like PepsiCo, Tesla's massive new manufacturing wing adjacent to Gigafactory Nevada is scheduled to go live by March 2026. This isn't just about putting more trucks on the road. Tesla is aiming for a production capacity of 50,000 units annually. The 2026 model is a technical powerhouse, a redesign featuring over 1,000 horsepower, a 500-mile range under a full load, and the ability to utilize 1.2 megawatt megachargers. But the 2026 plan also includes a quiet revolution for Tesla's bestseller, the Model Y. Internally known as Project Juniper, a major refresh of the Model Y is set to dominate the US and European markets throughout 2026. The technical upgrades are more than just cosmetic. We are looking at a standardized shift to the 4,680 battery cells, which offer up to 10% more range and faster charging speeds. More importantly, the 2026 Model Y is designed to be the bridge to total autonomy. With 8 upgraded exterior cameras and a new front-facing unit, the hardware is being overspec'd to handle the transition from supervised FSD to the same unsupervised AI that powers the Cybercab. To understand why Tesla believes it can achieve in 2026 what it failed to do for the last decade, you have to look beyond the vehicles. You have to look at the brain that connects them. For years, Tesla's autonomy ambitions were throttled by compute power. But in 2026, that bottleneck is scheduled to shatter. This is the year the synergy between Tesla and Musk's other venture, xAI, truly begins. xAI's massive supercomputer, Colossus, which reached full operational capacity in mid-2025, is now the primary training ground for Tesla's AI. The plan for 2026 is to use this unprecedented compute power to push the FSD full self-driving software past its final hurdles. The roadmap for FSD V14 and beyond isn't just about recognizing stop signs. It's about creating a generalized world model that can reason through any situation, from a blizzard in Norway to a chaotic intersection in Mumbai. But the ultimate goal is even more ambitious. Elon Musk and other industry leaders are now predicting that artificial general intelligence, AGI, AI that equals or surpasses human intelligence across a wide range of tasks, could arrive as early as 2026 or 2027. If this timeline holds, the Tesla fleet of 2026 won't just be running smart software, it could be running the first iteration of AGI. This would mean the difference between a car that follows rules and a car that truly understands its environment. Without it, the Cybercab is just a weird-looking car, and Optimus is just an expensive toy. But with it, they become the physical agents of a new automated reality. Tesla's 2026 master plan is a bet that the future will be autonomous, robotic, and abundant. But they aren't the only ones hitting the vertical part of the curve. This transition is just one piece of a much larger puzzle. That's it for now. Click here to watch our breakdown of the top 5 technologies of 2026. I'll see you there.